Hi kids, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve for the common difference or D. Just take note of this formula. We have D is equal to a sub n plus 1 minus n. This is the formula for solving the common difference. Solving for the common difference is not that difficult if the sequence involves positive terms. And also if the terms involve, if the terms of the sequence has small numbers, mga gunti lang ang numero, mga positive, madali lang ma-identify ang common difference. For example, we have, this sequence, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. This is an example of a sequence, and this is also the set of counting numbers. Baka lang nag-ihap. Actually, nag-ihap ka good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, madali lang. To get the next term, na-add ka lang 1. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Therefore, ito nga plus 1, that is our common difference for this sequence. So, madali lang kung suga dito. Kung positive la, okay? And also kung gutila nga value mga terms. Now, how about if you're given this type of sequence? Say we have negative 12, negative 15, negative 18, negative 21, negative 24, so on and so forth. Now, what's the common difference? So, if the sequence involves negative signs, big numbers, even fractions, medyo makuri na pag identify or pag solve it iya common difference. So dito na nasakob ini nga technique. Okay, ang technique pag solve it common difference. Now, in simple way of explaining this, tigam nila, pili hinduha nga magsapit nga term, consecutive terms magsapit. Now in this case, you can either use negative 12 and negative 15, magsapit manhera. Kung gusto mo liwat ang negative 18 nga negative 21, pwede gihapon since magsapit hera. Negative 15, negative 18, go gihap ito, sapit hera. Basta magsapit. How about negative 12 and negative 18? Pwede ba? Kay diri na hera magsapit. They are not consecutive terms. Dapat kuno magsunod basta or magsunod ngan magsapit. Bisan na hindi magsunod basta ganin magsapit. Now, what to do with those terms? Ano timihimo nito nga duduha para makuha common difference? Simply la, isa-subtract mo lahera. Your minuend should be ang nasunod na term. Say for example, you have chosen negative 12 and negative 15 because that's the first step ko, no? Choose two consecutive terms, any two consecutive terms. Bisan hain nga magsapit nga terms, pili. So kung ano mo na pili is negative 12 nga negative 15, isa-subtract mo kunera. But diri pwede magkabalyo-balyo, ano? Your minuend should be ang nasunod inihiya, and your subtrahend should be the previous term ang nauuri. Okay? So we have negative 15 minus negative 12. This is now, or the answer should be the value of our D. Negative 15 minus negative 12, that is, so since double negative here, this will become negative 15 plus 12. By the way, one of the prerequisites for solving for the common difference or ang mga kailangan nga skills para mabaro ka pag solve it common difference is you should be knowledgeable on operation of signed numbers. Dapat maaram ka kung ano't ginihimo kung double negative, ano't ginihimo kung nag-add ka hin negatives, ano't ginihimo kung nasubtract ka hin negative o positive. Okay, all of those things dapat maaram ka ito, because if you don't, then diri ka hindi mababaro nga pag solve it common difference. Again, negative 15 minus negative 12, since double negative yan, became negative 15 plus 12. So since you're adding unlike signs liwat, o di ba? Tamo na ini nga yung ginihimo. Didi nag-double negative, tas didiliwat, you're adding unlike signs. If you're adding unlike signs, proceed to subtraction. Masubtract na, ano good sir, malipong man. Diba? Again, dapat maaram ka mo ito, ha? So, since you're adding unlike signs, you're going to subtract them, the absolute values, and whatever the answer is, the sign that you're going to use is the number or the addends that has the higher absolute value. So, subtract tera, 15 minus 12, that's 3. So, ano man kunong sign, high man din nga number, and may dako nga absolute value. So, that's negative 15. So, ang sign hini is negative 3. So, may daka na common difference. Common difference is negative 3. Now, this common difference should be the same kung ibaliwat nga terms aning gamiton. Because if not, then this is not an example of an arithmetic sequence. So let's try other two consecutive numbers to see if our answer is correct. Let us use negative 21 and negative 24. Again, simply subtract these two terms. Our minuend should be the next term, so that will be negative 24 minus, subtract ito termya, minus the previous term, so minus negative 21. Again, since double negative here, this will become d equals negative 24 plus 21. Okay, again, since you're adding unlike signs, subtract them and copy the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. So, negative 3 gihapon ang answer. So meaning, our answer is correct. The common difference for this sequence is negative 3.